prevent tool failure as well as extend your tool life. More and more, I have customers coming to me with material grades that were typically only seen in aerospace. But as time progresses and the materials get proven and they become more commonplace, I've seen those pulled into various applications. So what do you do if you're in a shop now where you're getting materials that have been typically reserved for aerospace? Well, one option is to check out this EMUGE TiNox here with me today. Let's click Learn More. And it's going to go over a lot of the different things: variable flute spacing, high heat resistant, axial coolant, optimized geometry for long chipping tough materials. The thing I love is we increase the advancements. Manufacturers are including more technical information and cutting demonstrations. So we're going to check it out here. It's going to go over some of the technical details. Now, even though it is for aerospace grade materials, it is a universal end mill. That variable spacing kills those vibrations, takes them out of the equation. Dry machining, which when you're entering and exiting those cuts frequently, it's going to help prevent tool failure as well as extend your tool life. There we go. Some light peripheral milling. Now we've got some slot roughing. So quick. Now, don't blink. Pocket done. The advancements in tooling and cutting geometry has come so far that here you have something like the EMUGE TiNox end mill. Yes, it's great on aerospace materials. It's also great as a general purpose end mill. It's crazy how far we've come in so few years. Something like the EMUGE TiNox is a great tool to have in the common tooling you keep in your mill. Or your mill turn centers, or your lathe with live tools. Let's face it, they've got end mills everywhere now, and I love it. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.